bring you a 3-minute digest of what happened in China's business sector. This is China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Lee. Let's start with today's top news. The General Office of the CPC Central Committee and the General Office of the State Council released a notice saying China will speed up revising regulations on data security regarding companies' issuance and listing shares overseas. They'll also stress on the improvement of laws and regulations of cross-border data flow and management of confidential information. China is stepping up on its anti-crypto measures. The PBOC closed down a Beijing-based company providing software services for virtual currency transactions and reiterated that no institution under its jurisdiction should engage in such transactions. Bitcoin fell from $35,100 to nearly $34,000 after the news. Update on COVID-19. 15 more new locally transmitted cases were reported yesterday, all from Ruili in Yunnan province. A single flight from Afghanistan to Wuhan on July the 2nd have found 22 confirmed COVID cases and 30 asymptomatic cases, the Health Commission of Hubei province said on Wednesday. The government reminds Chinese citizens to leave Afghanistan as soon as possible and to provide necessary assistance to ensure their safety. CPC leads a centrist progress. Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the CPC Central Committee and Chinese President, on Tuesday said it is the CPC's unswerving goal to run China's house well, ensure a happy life for over 1.4 billion Chinese people during a keynote speech at the CPC and World Political Parties Summit. With a strong sense of responsibility for the future of all mankind, we need to champion the common values of humanity, foster broad-minded tolerance towards the understanding of values by different civilizations, and respect the exploration of different peoples, he said. The Clown Summit had gathered leaders of more than 500 political parties and organizations from over 160 countries, with over 10,000 representatives attending the event. Next on company news and the financial sector. Shares of ride-hailing giant Didi Chuxing on US time Tuesday closed at $12.49, down more than 19%, following its mega $4.4 billion listing on the New York Stock Exchange last week. Chinese electric vehicle maker XPeng shares opened 1.8% higher from the 165 Hong Kong dollars per share issue price, but the positive turn was short-lived. Its shares fluctuated in the rest of the day and closed flat on its Hong Kong trading debut on Wednesday. Chinese retail giant sooningcom announced Monday that its controlling shareholders will sell 1.58 billion shares, or 16.96% of the conglomerate, to a consortium at 5.59 yuan apiece. The deal, which has a value of about $1.4 billion, comes amid concerns over cash flow at the retailer. Wrapping up with a quick look at the stock market. Chinese stocks closed higher on Wednesday, with the benchmark Shanghai Composite Index up 0.66% at 3,553 points. The Shenzhen Component Index closed 1.86% higher at 14,940 points. Most stocks related to pharmaceutical and healthcare saw sharp losses yesterday, affected by losses of leading pharmaceutical CRO companies. Shares of CRO rebounded on Wednesday. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow on China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Goodbye.